The City of Oceanside has made it easy for residents to find information on all of the city's environmental programs and services through the Green Oceanside website. Green Oceanside educates the Oceanside community regarding water use efficiency, preventing pollution of our waterways, zero waste, climate action, and energy conservation. Oceanside residents can learn about rebates for purchasing and installing water-saving devices in their homes, as well as how to track water usage with the new Water Smart program. Learning how to take care of landscaping without impacting our local waterways, or finding out when the next beach cleanup will take place, is just a click away. Looking up where to take paint, oil, electronics, and other household hazardous waste, or how to compost in your backyard is right at your fingertips. You can also find out how climate action strategies are being incorporated into the city's general plan update and how solar power is being used to power city facilities. A multitude of information and resources on each of these initiatives and more can be found at greenoceanside.org. In addition to the website, Oceanside residents can download the free Green Oceanside app to have environmental program and event information on their mobile device. There is also a list of Green Oceanside business members on the app to allow residents to support local businesses that use sustainable practices that protect our environment. Stay engaged and keep up to date with the Green Oceanside app and greenoceanside.org.